I'll show you how you can remove AI generated watermark on CapCut. So for example, here there's a small AI generated watermark right there. There's two things we can do. Either we can crop it out. So to crop it out, you can just go into one of these where you can crop it out. So on transform here, for example, we can scale it up. So when you scale it up, the AI generated watermark here will be gone, right? But that's a very barbaric solution. There is other things here, like there is an AI remove. Now, on AI remove, what it will basically do is that, for example, here, let's just go ahead and click on it to turn it on, right? Now, once we turn it on, you can see it'll say it's recognizing. On recognizing, you can see now there's a quick brush here. We can just brush over the AI watermark here. And then after that, you can see now it'll go ahead and put into the AI watermark. It'll be into a square. You can tap on remove here. And then once it's removed, it'll go say AI removing, right? Now on AI removing, it'll take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes depending on how complex your image is. Now you can see right now it's almost done, around 98, 99%. It should be pretty done, but right about now. Now what it will basically does is that it'll fill in the gaps of what should be there, right? So right now it is AI and it'll fill in the gaps, and there you see now the result is a bucket, and then what used to be an AI watermark right there has now been turned invisible and been replaced as if it was never there.